All right, this is how you can make a test and you can make it so that the program kind of makes it for you. If you go to manage test, there's tests I already have. I can do a new test. And let's say I want to test on decimals. Now, I've got a database worth of questions, so now I can just tailor it towards whatever class or kids are going to take the test. So let's say I just search decimals and I have adding and subtracting decimals. And let's say my class is an average class. So maybe I want three level ones, I want three level two questions, and two level three questions. Then I can add another topic. And I can just search for decimals again. There's multiplying decimals. So let's say I've taught all my decimals. And same thing here. I can just kind of do three multiplying decimals. Yeah, maybe I didn't do as much on multiplying as adding and subtracting, so I put a little bit less there. Maybe a level three at one. Add topic, decimals. Let's do some word problems. And let's say I do, more level one word problems and a little bit less level two and level three. Say I just do zero level three. Now, let's say I also want to put in some a review. So maybe I want to do some exponents. I can do the topic of exponents. And let's say I just want to pop in five questions, a few on each level here. And that's it. So once I've entered in the number of questions for each one, now I can do this and I can finagle it depending on the level kids. If I have a class, an advanced class, I probably am going to make these zero because I want more higher level questions. So I can put all zeros there, then make these a little bit more. So I can just play around with it depending on the level kids that I'm going to be testing. Or what if I have a beginning level class or a class that's really struggling? I could up these, you know, to level one, more level one questions and no level three questions. And there you have it. And maybe even more level ones. However I want to do it, it's really up to me. I can add more topics if I want, and then I click done, and the test will appear here. And then I can add my classes, whatever class I want. I can also print it out. So if I have the problems here, I can actually make tests, and I can print. I could do three columns or two columns. I'll do three, and you could actually print it out like this. And there's your questions. You print it out. So a kid that needs it printed out, you got it. And then I can come here, I can print out the answers, and then I can get the results. And there'd be a list of kids, but I haven't assigned it to a class yet. So I could once I assign it to a class, I can click a class and it's assigned. And then I can force it so that the next time a kid logs in, they have to take the test. They have no other way of doing anything. And again, here are the results, and I can see the class results here. So there's how you do a test.